Good morning, students. Let's come to the decimal numbers lecture 2. In this video lecture, we will learn operations on decimal numbers. In today's lecture, we will learn how to add two decimal numbers and multiplication of decimal numbers. So let's start. Addition of decimals. Decimal numbers are added in the following way. Let's try to understand addition of decimal numbers through illustration of this example. Suppose I want to add 25.36 and 34.52. See how they are added. 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 5 8, below decimal, then 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 3 5. Very simple. Similarly, the sum of 123.5, 123.5 and 123.56 and 38.23 can be written as, see how they are added. 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 2 7, below decimal, 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5, plus 1 carry 6, bring down 1. So final output is 161.79. What does we conclude from these two examples? The answer lies ahead. Note that when we add two decimal numbers or subtract one decimal number from the other, we have to ensure that the digit in the unit place of the second number is written exactly below the digit in the units place of the first number. See here, the digit in the unit place of second number is written just below the digit of the unit place of the first number. So this is very important point. When we add two decimal numbers or subtract one decimal number from the other, we have to ensure that the digit in the unit place of the second number is written exactly below the digit in the units place of first number. Same is the case with digits in hundreds place, thousand place, 1 upon 10 place, 1 upon 100 place, and so on. Now let us understand this addition and subtraction of decimal numbers with the help of one more example. Suppose I want to subtract 35.006 from 123.41. See how we have subtracted. Write the digit in unit place of the second number below the digit of the unit place of the first number. Now see here, the digit in the unit place is 0 because we have 3 digits after decimal. So we have to make 3 digits after decimal by adding 0, which we can do. So we cannot subtract 6 from 0, so this will borrow 1 from here. So 10 minus 6 4. Now 0 is left here. Bring down 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. Bring decimal below decimal. Now again we cannot subtract 5 from 3. This will borrow from 2. This will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Now this has become 1 because 3 has borrowed 1 from here. 1 is left here. This will, now again 3 cannot be subtracted from 1. This will borrow 1 from here. This will become 11. 11 minus 3, 8. Final output is 88.40. Let's come to the multiplication of decimal number. We shall begin with a simple example. See, 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. 0.3 can be rewritten as 3 by 10. See, the multiplication will become 6 by 100, that is 0.04. Similarly, 0.2 into 0.4 is 0.08. In 0.2 or 0.4, there is one digit to the right of the decimal point. In the product of these two numbers, the decimal should come before 2 digits from the right. This is the rule you remember. Hence, 0.2 into 0.4 is 0.08. Similarly, see these examples. 0.5 into 0.07 is 0.035. 0.3 into 0.004 is 0.0011. 1.3 into 1.2, 1.5. See the position of decimal. 1.5 into 1.2, 1.80. 2.34 into 10. First, remove the decimal by dividing by 100, then multiply by 10. Finally, you will get 23.4. Similarly, 12.31 into 100. First, remove the decimal by dividing the 100. Final output 1231. And this is. So, what does we conclude from these examples? From the above examples, we observe that when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, the decimal point is moved to right by one place. When we multiply by 10, the decimal point moves to right by one place. When a decimal number is multiplied by 100, the decimal point is shifted by two places to the right. Now, when you are multiplied by 100, it is shifting to two places to the right. In general, we can state that when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000 or any higher power of 10, the decimal point is shifted to right by n places, where n is the number of zeros in the power of 10. That is, for 10, 100 and 1000, n is, see there are 1 0, then 2 0 and 3 0. So value of n is 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Thank you.